Hello dear friends, today, we see the best amazing product in AliExpress on the market for this year. Please subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Let's go. Number 1 is, Jessup Beauty 25 pieces. Makeup brush set, eyebrow makeup kit, professional completa, foundation, eyeshadow, contour highlighter brushes T155. Features of this product. Brand name, Jessup, model number, T155, size, 15.2 cm to 17.5 cm, brush material, goat hair. This package includes 25 makeup brushes, 101 Jessup face care contouring brush length, about 17.5 cm tip length, and perfect wing 322 eyebrow liner brush length, about 17.0 cm tip length, about 0.6 cm handle type, wood hair type, synthetic hair eyebrow brush for powder and cream, so this is the best option for you to buy. Number 2 is, DUcare 31 pieces. Makeup brushes with bag black, white natural goat hair foundation brush powder concealer eye contour mixing brush. Features of this product. Brand name, DUcare, material, goat hair, pony wool, synthetic pile, aluminum ferrule, wooden handle. Products include 31 pieces. Brushes with bag brushes contains fan-shaped brush ideal for sweeping and sweeping excess powder. Powder brush masterfully sweep blush, bronzer and finish powder. Buffer brush use it to evenly apply face powder, bronzer or blush, or for blending. Makeup brush apply liquid or cream products such as base and primer. Makeup brush apply liquid or cream products such as base and primer. Contouring brush eyebrows, so this is the very good option for you. The next is, number 3 is, Anmor 26 pieces makeup brush portable eyebrow eyeshadow cosmetic contour soft base synthetic hair set with bag. Features of this product. Brand name, Anmor, size, 14 cm minus 25 cm brush material, ermine brush material, synthetic hair brush material, goat hair brush material, horsehair use with, kits quantity, 26 pieces in a set model number, 4626 feet 23 handle material, wood item type, makeup brush color, black bag material, pool leather hair material 1. Goat hair material 2, pony hair material 3, weasel hair material 4, synthetic hair used with, full brushes of face material ferrule, aluminum ferrule color, silver 26 pieces. Set of makeup brushes with bag brush material, synthetic pile, goat hair, pony wool, aluminum tip, wooden handle. Gross weight, 1.2 kilograms or so. Features, there is goat hair, horsehair, weasel and synthetic hair. Only 26 pieces. In the set. Complete professional kit, so this is the very good option for you. The next is, number 4 is, BEILI Black Full Professional Makeup Brush Set Natural Goat Hair Foundation Powder Concealer, Eye Blending Contour 30 pieces. Features of this product. Brand name, BEILI, size, regular size brush material, goat hair brush material, synthetic hair brush material, wool pile brush material, horsehair used with, kits quantity, mostly 30 pieces makeup brushes model number, B30. 25/22/15/12/10 handle material, wood item type, makeup brush color, chimney black handle silver ferrule packing, box feature, high quality goat hair, synthetic hair, pony hair used as, foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, eyebrow, eyeliner, highlight, definer made for, makeup artists, MUA, makeup lover, makeup learner other, customization. Wholesale, drop shipping 30 pieces brushes, including 100% natural bristles, synthetic hair and pony hair, goat fur, pony hair, wool fiber, synthetic hair. This set consists of 30 pieces, which are all the brushes we need, ideal for personal or professional use, and a wonderful gift. Things that we do for love and beauty, and which BEILI always insist on. These brushes are necessary. For mixing eye brushes, we specially choose natural goat hair. touch the skin and will have icy muscles, suitable for all skin types without stimulation. Natural animal hair is soft, like no other. They are fluffy and have excellent ability to grab powder. You can apply amazing blends and evenly apply makeup. Both eyebrow and eyeliner are thin and precise. And during this process the animal does not hurt. Steps for cleaning brushes: moisten the bristles with warm water. Below 40°C, put a drop of makeup detergent, lightly massage the tips of the bristles on the palm of your hand. Rinse the bristles. Squeeze out excess ink, so this is the very good option for you. The next is, number 5 is, Zoria 16 pieces. Beveled lip makeup multifunctional brush set, shading eyeshadow, foundation, eyeshadow, cosmetic tools with holder. Features of this product: brand name, Zoria. Item type, makeup brush set. Brush material, synthetic hairbrush pen, aluminum tip plus PP pen. Quantity, 16 pieces. Used with sets and kits. Use: party, wedding, gifts, birthday, anniversary. Features: 10 pieces. Basic makeup brushes with cosmetics tool holder, so this very good option for you. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.